The highly sensitive person. How to thrive when the world overwhelms you. Do you have a keen imagination and vivid dreams? Is time alone each day as essential to you as food and water? Are you too shy or too sensitive according to others? Do noise and confusion quickly overwhelm you? If your answers are yes, you may be a highly sensitive person, HSP. Most of us feel overstimulated every once in a while, but for the highly sensitive person, it's a way of life. In this groundbreaking book, Dr. Elaine Aron, a highly sensitive person herself, shows you how to identify this trait in yourself and make the most of it in everyday situations. In the highly sensitive person, you will discover self-assessment tests to help you identify your particular sensitivities. Ways to reframe your past experiences in a positive light. The highly sensitive person will change the way you see yourself and the world around you.